All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2013 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI police pursuit vehicle with 123,000 miles and only 3,600 idle hours. Folks, as you can see, the weather is not on my side. It's kind of overcast here in California, so you can't really appreciate the vehicle, but let's do the shoot anyway. Let's move forward. Original midnight blue on this vehicle, so the vehicle does look blue by day and black at night. Once again, this is a 2013 rear-wheel drive Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI police pursuit vehicle with 123,000 miles. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country to her new home. Let me stop right here, folks. Vehicle does have fresh window tint. That's going to be a 15% all around. Once again, 15% all around. Not too dark, not too light, but just the perfect color combo for this unit here. Once again, folks, this vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, and she does look mean driving down the road. Vehicle does have 2 holes on the trunk lid, where those 2 actual antennas are. This is what the vehicle came with from the department. One here, and the vehicle had another hole here, so I put an antenna here, folks. All right, so I went back with the original look. Once again, this was a former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home unit. I'm sorry, folks, I should have said that earlier today when I first started the video. Once again, this was a Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle, folks. So that means that if this vehicle is assigned to you and you are in charge of the maintenance on this vehicle, and let me tell you, whoever was in charge of this vehicle, they did an amazing job taking care of it. Once again, original original midnight blue from factory. Vehicle does have minor little scratches. Does have about maybe, I'm gonna say, 3 to 4 door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. Folks, let me stop right here. I got to tell you that the vehicle did come with a nice set of winter tires. However, they were pretty noisy. So I went ahead and contacted my tire guy, and I did put a new set of takeoffs on this one. These are going to be the Goodyear Eagles RSAs 245 55 18. DOT on the tires are going to be 2021, 2022. So they're fairly new, folks. I kind of chose them myself, so I know what we got. Once again, the vehicle does have a new set of takeoffs all around. Vehicle does have a new used LED spotlight. When the vehicle first got home, there was nothing in place. Lucky for me, I do have a contact that has these those spotlights on hand, and he was able to send me a set. Shannon, thank you very much. I got you. I got your order, and thanks to you, my vehicle was brought back to its original look from the department. Let me backtrack here, folks. Before I forget, folks, I got to tell you the vehicle does have a brand new set of OEM original equipment headlamps. The ones that came with the vehicle, they were pretty yellow and oxidated, so I gave you a brand new set of OEM on this one. New light bulbs, and I also went with the Silver Star Sylvania light bulbs, so they are a little bit brighter at night. You can see better. Also, the front bumper cover, folks, the front bumper cover was repainted. Why? Because when the vehicle first got in, there were a lot of chips on the front bumper along with the headlights, so I didn't like the way that looked. So I had my paint crew redo the front bumper. At the same time, folks, I went ahead and reconditioned the plastic trims right here. They're nice and black, as you guys can see. Nice and black, so everything got repainted black to match the whole vehicle, folks. All right. So once again, the whole front end, it was recovered, repainted. Not the whole front end, just the bumper cover, the front bumper clip. Vehicle does have chips, as you guys can see. Those little white dots right here, those are little chips from the road. All right. Once again, folks, I'm not gonna lose sleep over that. It's something that happens to every Highway Patrol unit out there. All right. Aside from that, you got yourself a great looking running vehicle, folks. Let's go inside real quick and show you what I got to work with. And I do apologize for Mother Nature. She's been kind of crazy here lately, so vehicle looks kind of dark, but I'm sure you'll appreciate the color. My camera goes on and off. All right, folks, this is where it starts to get good. Vehicle does have a new use original equipment rear seat belts and buckles. As you guys already know, these vehicles will not come with a rear seat at all, or just a hard plastic seat. So it is my job to bring the car back to its original look from factory. So I went with the better look actually here. So there you go, folks. Everything is in place how it should be. Rear doors have been fully reassembled, meaning that if you do have passengers in the rear seat, they'll be able to exit out of the vehicle. I do have the Dodge Charger kit for the rear doors. It's kind of expensive and a lot more work to do, but you're all set, folks. All right, so the windows and doors are fully operational from inside and out of the car. Vehicle does have electric seats, front electric seats, driver and passenger. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Passenger side seat is in near new conditions. As you guys can see, folks, I do have a new use OEM center console. Everything does work. The auxiliary cigarette lighter does work, and you do have a cup holder. Vehicle did come with 2 fobs. Vehicle does have 2 fobs. They're right there. All right, am I forgetting anything? Hope not. Let's get in. Everything works on the vehicle here, folks. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Once again, 2 fobs. All your pressure lights are off. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have I just took it out. Oh, oops. Let me go back. Vehicle does have 100. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 123,000 miles with 3,700 idle hours, which is not bad at all. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Oops. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Everything works. Actually, the vehicle does have factory Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone right to the vehicle without a problem at all whatsoever. Red LED, white LED does work. Honk does work. LED does work. Super cold air conditioner. Cup holders right here. Everything works. So you guys are complete. Everything is in there, guys. All right. Let's go to the trunk. And I hope I'm not forgetting anything. If I do forget something, it's gonna be noted down on my eBay ad. Vehicle does have a full-size spare tire and wheel. Hold down pen is in place. Floor jack is in place. Vehicle also does have a new battery, folks. Vehicle does have a new battery. Vehicle does have the aluminum pull-out tray table here, so the dust come out towards you, and then you can put it back in place. It doesn't make noise, so we are good. All right. Let me go back over here. All the LEDs do work on the rear of the vehicle. And just so you guys know, this part right here, I had to replace it. The original that came with the vehicle had a nice decent crack, so I went on eBay and I ordered one for us. So there she goes. Original equipment, folks. Original equipment. Also, folks, before I forget, I got to tell you, the vehicle does have brand new front and rear brakes and rotors. Brand new front and rear brakes and rotors. As you guys can see if I can, the vehicle, whoever owned this vehicle, they put the top of the line performance friction brake rotors, vented rotors here all around. So you got new brakes and rotors all around, folks. You got the good stuff. You don't have cheap stuff on this one. You got the good stuff, let me tell you. There you go. All right, let's get into the engine compartment, folks. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing her back to life, let me tell you. I got 3 minutes to cover everything, so let's go ahead and proceed. Folks, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have 16 brand new original equipment irradiance spark plugs in this unit. Full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Transmission was also serviced with ATF plus 4. Mopar fluid and filter on this transmission. Do not use anything else on this one, okay? Air conditioner is nice and cold. I do have a brand new cabin filter back there. That's where the cabin filter goes. For that department, the vehicle does have what it appears to be a new, semi-new water pump. Dry belt tensioners are all in good shape, folks. Suspension is nice and tight. Vehicle is very strong. She will pick up and go. Also, folks, before I forget, I did replace the oil cooler on this unit. The oil cooler was leaking in the bottom, so I went ahead and replaced that, and I did use an original equipment oil cooler from Dodge, as well as the seal, the O-ring that comes with it. All right. Hope I'm not forgetting anything here on this one, folks. What else? Once again, folks, if I do forget something, I will note it down in my eBay description. But for the most part, folks, I did everything. You have nothing to do on this vehicle but an oil change 4,000 miles down the line, okay? You got new brakes, you got new fluids, you got new filter, you got new headlights. Everything was done in this bad boy. Everything. It does have a clean, clear title. No rust on this bad boy whatsoever. No rust on her whatsoever. One last final look here, folks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to remain for sale, so if you do have any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend out there. God bless and take care.